Hey everyone, the Oppo Watch X2 Mini is poised to make a significant impact in the smartwatch market as a compact yet powerful alternative to its larger sibling, the Oppo Watch X2. Scheduled for release on April 10th, this smartwatch aims to deliver a premium experience with its refined aesthetics and robust functionality, catering to users who prefer a smaller, more wearable device without compromising on features. Oppo has designed the Watch X2 Mini to be a versatile timepiece suitable for a variety of settings, whether it be casual, business, or fitness-oriented environments. The watch will be available in 3 distinct styles, including classic black and silver variants with fluoroelastomer bands, as well as a more elaborate option that was previously teased. Despite the differences in aesthetics, all variations of the Watch X2 Mini will feature the same core hardware, including a circular display and 2 physical buttons for navigation and control. One of the standout features of the Watch X2 Mini is its AMOLED display, which offers a refresh rate of 60 Hz and an impressive peak brightness of 2,200 nits. This ensures clear visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, making it a reliable companion for those who are frequently on the move. Additionally, the watch employs an LTPO backplane, which allows for adaptive refresh rates, optimizing power consumption and extending battery life. Performance-wise, the Watch X2 Mini utilizes a dual-chip design, combining the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset with the BES2800 microcontroller unit for efficient power management. This setup supports a hybrid operating system experience, blending Wear OS 5 with RTOS under Oppo's Color OS Watch 7. This hybrid approach ensures smooth operation, responsiveness, and energy efficiency, resulting in up to 3 days of battery life in smart mode. Users who prioritize longevity can switch to power saver mode, extending battery life to an impressive 6 to 8 days. Health and fitness tracking are integral to the Watch X2 Mini's appeal. The smartwatch is equipped with a comprehensive suite of sensors, including an optical heart rate monitor, SpO2 tracking, and fall detection capabilities. A notable addition is the 60-second health check, which provides users with quick insights into their vital statistics. With 32 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of RAM, the device ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, music, and other data. Durability is another strong point of the Watch X2 Mini. With an IP68 rating and 5 ATM water resistance, the smartwatch is built to withstand dust, splashes, and even immersion in water, making it an ideal companion for fitness enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Whether worn during workouts, swimming sessions, or daily activities, the device promises reliability and resilience. While Oppo has yet to announce details regarding international availability, the Watch X2 Mini is expected to attract considerable attention upon its release. With its high-end display, dual-chip performance, extended battery life, and robust health tracking features, the smartwatch is well-positioned to compete with top-tier offerings in the market. For those seeking a premium smartwatch in a more compact form, the Oppo Watch X2 Mini presents an enticing option that does not compromise on functionality or style. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.